Investment during falling market. Investing in a falling market. Now we are seeing the markets are down, going down. Every gold price, silver price, share market prices are coming down. Now the issue is whether this falling market is an opportunity for investment for investors. Now we see the situation. The Nifty value has reduced by 10%. Mutual funds also reduced their value by 10%. Now, is this an opportunity for investors to invest either individually or through mutual funds in the form of SIP, systematic investment plan, or restructure portfolios and move out loss-making companies? The real basic question is whether to invest more during this falling market or to invest in the longer period, for the longer period in the mutual fund, through mutual funds or systematic investment plan, or move out of the market because the markets are coming down. Markets prices are reducing day by day because of war continuing in the Western Asia. Price earning ratio is also corrected to 19.7% from 24.4% in the corresponding previous year. Means price earning ratio, which is considered as the basis for taking investment decisions for the longer period. The price earning ratio reduced from 24.4% to 19.7%. Is it the basic question, is it the time and fair levels of long-term entry? If the investment is going to be, the investment is going to be for more than 5 years, maybe in the longer period, the ability to continue the investment for longer period for more than 5 years, this is considered one of the better period to go for long-term investments in shares which are having P/E ratio less than 10. This approach may be comfortable for the longer period. For this purpose, the better option will be to diversify investments in such a way that about 25% invest 25% now, and for the balance 75% continuously in trenches. Means after 3 months, another 25% after 3 months, like that. Park funds in a liquid scheme means during this period of investment, reduce the risk of losses by using the funds in the liquid scheme daily or weekly systematic transfer plan. It means your account will be, you give instructions to the bankers to transfer the required funds for investment in equity market periodically, means weekly or monthly, like that. That is systematic transfer of funds from the saving account or current account to the investment or mutual fund account. This way, by parking funds in a systematic transfer account, the money, like the balance lying with the bank accounts, will earn an interest income of interest income of 6 to 7% per annum. It means during this period of parking the funds through a liquid scheme will make you earn 6 to 7% per annum until the amount is invested actually in the equity market. So now the option is to sum up what this is under the present situation of falling markets. The better way is to invest for the longer period, and longer period means more than 5 years, and don't invest at a time don't invest all the funds at a time, so that the income or loss can be reduced. Initially, you transfer 25% of your money available to investments in equity market, and in the next tranche, maybe after 1 month or 2 months, like that, another 25%, another 3 months, another 25%, another 3 months, another 25%, like that. Until then, the balance amount can be parked in a liquid scheme in the bank accounts, so that weekly or daily systematic transfer weekly or daily or monthly systematic transfer can be made to the investment account. This investment also can be made. This type of investment in equity market can be made either through individual decisions or through mutual funds or systematic investment plan. Whichever is possible, it is better to to invest, not to invest at a time all the amounts available. You wait, you invest gradually. Means 25% in the first stage, second stage, 20% in the third, 1/4 in the first stage, 1/4 in the second stage, 1/4 in the third stage, 1/4 in the fifth stage, fourth stage, like that. That will make you earn at least 6 to 7% on the amount marked with the bank accounts. This will give somewhat, you can say, income on investment, and the after the market returns to stability and improves, the income, uh, the income and sale, the values will increase. You can earn better money. You can earn higher income in the after if you are invested for the longer period of 5 years.